Hi guys, in today's video, I'm going to discuss about the right shades of lipstick for every color outfit. Well, all you need is 7 shades of lipstick to go with any color clothing, out of which 4 are must have shades and 3 are good to have shades. Must have shades are a light pink shade, a dark pink shade, a red shade, and a dark nude shade lipstick. Good to have shades are an orange shade, a purple shade, and a light nude shade lipstick. Make sure to pick the right shades of these colors for your skin tone. Red. With all the red outfits, you can wear either red or nude shades of lipstick. If you have a heavy eye makeup, go for the nude shade lipstick, and if you have a light eye makeup, go for the red lipstick. I usually use MAC's Retro Matte Lipstick Ruby Woo for reds. It always worked for me. Pink. Pink lipstick goes with pink outfit. If it's a dark pink outfit, choose a dark pink lipstick. For light pink outfit, wear a light pink lipstick. I use the MAC's Retro Matte All Fired Up for dark pink shade and MAC's Powder Kiss Lipstick Sexy But Sweet for the light pink shade lipstick. Orange. For orange outfits, wear either orange lipstick or a light nude shade lipstick. MAC's Satin Lipstick Neon Orange works well for me. Bobbi Brown's Luxe Shine Intense Lipstick Wild Poppy will be the best alternative for neon orange. Green. Both red lipstick as well as nude shade lipsticks will be appropriate for green outfits. Try the MAC's Satin Lipstick Mocha for light nude shade. It works fine for my skin tone. Grey. With grey outfits, either use orange lipstick or red lipstick. They work the best with grey outfits. Purple. You can wear purple shade lipstick with all purple and violet shade dresses. Alternatively, purple lipsticks will go well with both black and white outfits. I use the MAC's Amplified Lipstick Girl About Town for purple shade. Bobbi Brown's Crushed Lip Color Punch will be a good alternative too. Yellow. Wear either red lipstick or dark nude shade lipstick with yellow outfits. Try the MAC's Satin Lipstick Retro for the dark nude shade. White. With white outfit, any shades of lipstick will go well, but the best ones will be the red and nude shade lipsticks. Black. Any nude shade lipstick or red lipstick will go well with the black outfit. Bobbi Brown has a good red shade lipstick, Red Stiletto. Try and tell me what you feel. Brown. All nude shades work well with the brown outfit. Blue. Choose dark pink lipstick for dark blue outfit and light pink lipstick for light blue outfit. You can also wear nude shade lipsticks with blue outfits. That's all we have for today. I have added few interesting products in the description links. Please remember to check them out. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.